The work week started off with a large amount of cloud over the eastern part of the country, and on Tuesday we'll still see some of that moisture pushing in over the far northeastern part of South Africa, resulting in some morning drizzle along the eastern escarpment. Tuesday morning will be windy over the western and southern interior, but with those winds starting to die down in the second part of the day. On Tuesday afternoon we can expect mostly sunny conditions in the northeast, with a fine and warm day for KwaZulu-Natal, and a coastal low brings in a particularly hot day for the eastern Cape, with a bit of cloud expected in the west. Now, the South African Weather Service have issued a warning for a high fire danger rating over parts of the Cape provinces, with weather conditions that are favourable for the spread and development of runaway fires within the shade of red. It's a dry day across the country other than a slight chance of morning drizzle, and that's along the eastern escarpment. It's a mild Tuesday in the northeast, with daytime highs peaking in the low 20s on Tuesday afternoon, with daytime highs in the middle and upper 20s for KwaZulu-Natal, sizzling hot for Vredendal at 36, with a warm day for Cape Town at 25, and then a particularly hot day for the Eastern Cape, 34 degrees for Bishu and around 30 degrees along the coast. As we head out to the west coast, you'll see good beach conditions with light winds in the forecast. We're expecting an offshore flow for Namaqualand and Lambert's Bay in the morning, but the winds turning to the southwest by the end of the day, and we're expecting a small swell along the west coast, and that's only of 1 metre with wave heights between 1 and 2 feet. Good beach conditions in the southwest with partly cloudy and warm weather forecast. More of a southerly flow for the Cape Town Atlantic side, but a southwester as we head towards Hermanus, and we're also expecting a relatively small swell here of only 1.5 metres with wave heights between 2 and 3 feet. Light to moderate offshore winds are forecast along the south coast, with low tide expected at 7:30 in the morning for Mussel Bay, and we're expecting wind speeds to pick up to 20 kilometres per hour for Port Elizabeth. Along the south coast we'll see a swell height of 2 metres from the southwest with wave heights between 2 and 4 feet. Along the east coast we can expect moderate beach conditions for the Wild Coast and Richards Bay due to slightly stronger wind speeds, and we have a northeasterly flow along the east coast with good beach conditions for East London with a 1.5 metre swell, and that's from the southwest in the morning, but we'll see the wind swell in the afternoon, and we're expecting high tide at around 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
News that moves. eNCA.com